Heat pump hybrid heating. Why?
During the frosty period, the electric heating element in the air-to-water heat pump generates heat.
The electricity costs of heat generation from a heating rod are 3 to 4 times higher than heat generation from a heat pump at plus 10 degrees Celsius outside temperature.
Take a look at the book and seize your opportunities.
A powerful do-it-yourself inverter technology heat pump, combined with an efficient parking heater for the frosty days of the year, is an optimum heating system. You will find the link to the book in the description below. The vehicle parking heater is also of particular value as an emergency heating system in the event of a blackout in winter. Depending on the weather conditions at the place of residence and energy costs, the hybrid system can save up to approximate $1,000 per year compared to conventional heating systems.
Montepree@gmail.com